can't help me. Talk all day, then at night, falling deep. Stimulate me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am bringing you guys a review on this hair that I currently have in right now that I did purchase myself. It was not sent to me, and also this is a company that a lot of people here on YouTube rave about. I've seen a lot of good reviews and bad, but being that I did purchase this hair on my own, I want to bring you guys a very honest opinion because I did spend my own money. So I'm not just saying good things just because it was sent to me or anything like that. Not saying that that's what I do when I receive hair from a company, but it's different when you purchase hair on your own. You get to see the real experience, because I know to this day I hear a lot of people talk about the influencers. They actually receive the good hair when a company send them those things. So being that I did purchase this myself, I want to see, you know, is that true? Like, would I receive trash hair because I spent my own money? So if you guys are interested, then of course continue watching this video. I purchased some hair from Beauty Forever for my birthday. First off, I just want to say that the shipping was actually pretty quick because I placed my order, let's see, so I placed my order on October 7th and I received it on October 12th, so about 5 days. That's pretty quick. So yeah, 3 bundles of Brazilian body wave. I ordered 2 22 inches and 1 24, and my total came up to $197.38. And I do have this installed as a sew-in. I did sew this hair in. I did not sewn in 22 inches 24, but actually because my head is so small, I did not need all 3 bundles. So I do have a whole bundle that I will be showing you guys. So first, this hair came in this cute pink box, and it kind of caught me off guard a little bit. They have sent me a wig before that I reviewed on my channel, and everything came in these Beauty Forever boxes because this is what they sent me. And a lot of reviews that I see here on YouTube is like everything comes inside of this box, but no, the hair that I purchased just came inside of this cute pink box. Like, I'm not mad at it. I actually love the color, of course, but it doesn't say Beauty Forever. It just says 100% virgin human hair. But nonetheless, this is the box that the hair came in. So I guess before I get into like the review on the actual hair, I'll show you guys what came inside of the box. So the first thing that was inside of the box was this cute little mesh bag, and inside of it was a rat tail comb, which is this white rat tail comb. It also came with a gold pair of earrings, and it has like some stones in it. And then lastly, it came with a pair of eyelashes. It just says a natural extension of you, and this is how the lashes look. They look very full. So I thought all of that was super thoughtful. Like I said, I only installed like pretty much 2 bundles of hair, so I do have a full one left to show you guys. So this is how the bundles originally came. Like I said, I did get body wave. A little sticker. It still doesn't say Beauty Forever. It just says virgin human hair, 100% virgin hair, as y'all can see. But the bundles are like super soft, super full. I love the curl pattern. The wefts are not thin, so I absolutely love it. So this hair, what do I think about it? So first off, I'm gonna start by saying I have straightened this hair using a flat iron, and it straightens really good. I actually filmed a birthday get ready with me, so I'm not sure which video will be up first, but I will link it above. So my birthday get ready with me, I did straighten this hair, and it straightens perfectly. I have curled this hair. I actually have it curled today using my wand curler, and as y'all can see, it curls really good. The hair overall is beautiful, so I would definitely recommend this hair. This hair is a little pricier. I normally wouldn't spend this amount on no hair, but it was a special occasion for my birthday and I felt like I deserved it, and I do not feel like my money was wasted at all. Like, y'all, I absolutely love this hair. I would definitely repurchase, so I don't feel like, at least not this time, that I received trash hair because I purchased with my own money. Like I said, I know a lot of people feel like influencers receive the best hair, but in this case I feel like they sent me exactly what I wanted. I don't feel like they sent me trash hair at all. So like I said, I would highly recommend. So I just wanted to hop in really quickly, show you guys this hair and let you guys see how this hair came, since I am a buyer and they did not send it to me. So I want to see if I would receive the same quality, and I did. Like, y'all, can y'all see how beautiful this hair is? Like, it's super full. Even though I only installed 2 bundles of this hair, the hair is actually still full, and I absolutely love that. So yeah guys, like I said, I just wanted to hop in really quickly, share with you guys my opinion on Beauty Forever's bundles. I know a lot of people don't really review bundles like that anymore because everyone is so into wig nowadays, and honestly, even though you will see me do a review here and there on my channel on a wig, that's something that I'm honestly not into. I'm more of a traditional type of person, so I am more into like sew-ins and quick wigs because in my opinion, I honestly feel like for me they are just more natural looking. I don't know, like I can't really say, because like I said, I'm just not into wigs, and this is what makes me happy, and I'm like 100% happy with this hair. I would definitely rate it a 10 out of 10. I don't receive any shedding. I haven't just yet, and I've had this hair in for about a week. No tangling, as you guys can see. Super flowy, super bouncy. I mean, that's all I asked for. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.